Hello and welcome into the Piles of Paragraphs creative space. I'm Lori and today I'm going to do a flip through of the journal that I made with my Margarete Miller 52 collage challenges. Oh, let me get a sip of my coffee. I'm still a little weak of voice. Don't know. Well, the air quality here is very poor, so I think that has something to do with it. But anyway, I hope everyone else is doing well and has had a chance to do something creative. I'm still kind of trying to get back in the groove of things after a little festive break. Had my husband home for several days, and if you watch me, you know I don't get a lot done when he's here, so... Well, forgive me my craggy voice, but let's get going. So, the cover is a recycled packing or shipping envelope. I think this one came from Walmart. And I made a large cluster to go on the front, and I added this pretty flower, which has nothing at all to do with the collage challenge, except that I just really liked it, and I thought it went nicely with the cluster. So, okay. So I did this one in 4 sections, and I added the prompts to the left side, and there's my collages on the right. I'll just kind of flip through them quickly. I'll say it was fun to go back and put this together and look at the collages I made throughout the year. It's still very hard for me to believe that it's been a whole year that I've been doing this. And I made 52 collages. So I just did the 3-hole pamphlet stitch after I hinged the pages together with my favorite hinging material, which is packing paper. For me, I like to recycle if I can. So, yes, just lots of different items in the collages. Little bits and bobs of extra glue here and there, apparently. Oh, not perfect, but fun. Just the second grouping. I think I may go back and put the weeks on the individual little dividers. It's very neutral. So I had intended to make this a hardcover journal, but I didn't have any covers that were the right size. I had one that I thought was going to work, and then it was just a little bit too narrow, so that did not work out. I wanted there to be plenty of room for all these in here, and I will tell you, 52 of something is a pretty good size stack. Let's see, I hope I'm on. Okay, good. Phew. Okay. So not everything is lined up perfectly straight, of course. As I didn't measure when I put my hinges on, I just kind of did them by eye. So this is the second time I've bound this book. The first time I bound it, I had to soft just the envelope for the packing package for the spine, and it was too soft because these 52 plus pages of lightweight cardstock are heavy, so it kind of drooped a bit, so I didn't like it. So I went back and I created a hard spine for it to hold up all this weight. I still absolutely adore that little cat. I think it is so cute. You hear strange noises. It's our yard people are taking care of the neighborhood, all the neighborhood front yards. So here's 51. Oops. There's 52. And I just put some scrapbook paper to line the front and back covers because this one had a big Walmart banner here, which I didn't want to keep. But let's see, probably in the center is the easiest way for you to see the spine. So I went back with a piece of mat board, like the framing mat board, and put it in with some glue and some brown tape, and it's holding the journal up quite well by now. And then I went back and put tabs on the front of each section because my sections were kind of wonky. But and as you can see, I didn't do that quite as evenly as I could have, but you know, it works. And I decided I would leave this information on the back to remind me what I used for the cover. So, and I may come back with a title here for the Margarete Miller Challenge for 2024 and add it. But I think I want to do it typewritten, so I've got to drag out my husband's typewriter and do that. So there you go. It's chunky, but it's not gator mouth. I could put more stuff in. I'm not going to, but I could. And I don't think I need to make a closure for it. And I think it will sit on the shelf now just fine. So there you go. There's my journal that I made with my Margarete Miller Collage Challenge for 2024. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I'm still trying. I'm still pushing towards getting 300 subscribers by. I'd love to get it by the end of the year. The end of 2024. That is not 2025. And oh, here comes the lawnmowers again. So I'll say thank you for joining me today. I hope you'll join me again in the future. And bye bye for now.